Imagine wielding the power of artificial intelligence. Now Google is making that a reality, launching both free and paid generative AI training courses. These courses, hosted on the Cloud Skills Boost platform, are designed to keep up with the ever-evolving field of AI. With 2 learning paths on offer, there's something for everyone. For those new to the field, the Introduction to Generative AI course is a free, 45-minute journey into AI. It's a perfect starting point for non-technical roles looking to understand the basics of generative AI. For the tech-savvy, the Generative AI for Developers course delves deeper. This course isn't free and requires prerequisite courses, but it's a worthwhile investment for those looking to up their game in the AI field. And there's more. Google Cloud Innovators Plus subscribers get access to all generative AI content and a year of on-demand training. Even practical experiences catered for, with Google Cloud offering generative AI labs. This is just the beginning. Google plans to expand its training catalog in the future. So, if you've ever dreamt of mastering AI, Google's new courses could be just what you need. Dive in and start creating with AI today.